cases that were referred to us for autopsy. Next page. Next please po. So patient 1 po, 13 years old female, healthy, active, no allergy siya, may mga previous vaccination when she was a baby. Sa November 29 po, naka-receive siya ng Pfizer vaccine, first dose. Tapos after 6 days, suddenly bigla po siyang namatay. Difficulty breathing, so died after 6 days. Ang diagnosis po namin is acute myocarditis. Ito po yung next page po. Ito po yung kanyang yung microsection ng puso na nagpapakita na madaming infiltrates or inflammatory infiltrates po dun sa kanyang puso. So myocarditis po yung diagnosis po namin. Next page po. Next slide. So ito naman po patient B, 22 years old, female, nursing student po yan. Naka-receive siya ng AstraZeneca vaccine months prior to her death. Tapos namatay po siya noong December 9, 2021. During autopsy po, meron siyang pericardial effusion. Ang cause of death po is acute myocarditis with pericarditis. So yung next slide po, andun po yung kanyang microsection ng puso. So yan po, makikita po natin na napakadaming infiltrates dun sa kanyang heart at saka sa pericarditis. So yung yung pericardial sac, yung coating ng kanyang puso, ang dami pong infiltrates. So next